Hey, where's the camera? Over here. Hey guys, how's it going? I didn't lie, technically. I am still in the shop. It's just not going to be a project video this week because I haven't had time to get out to... No, not get out of here. I haven't had time to go and edit anything for a while now. And haven't had a chance to record voiceovers because this is where I record my voiceovers, if you hadn't noticed. And it's a bit of a disaster. Completely my fault, but yeah. I'm going to flip the camera around and kind of give you guys a little tour of what's been going on as much as you can see it, because it is a disaster. Soon to be fixed, though. I did get the chance. Well, I'll show you guys. I'll flip the camera around and I can point stuff out a little bit easier, so that's what I'll do. Alright, so I'm basically standing at the man door of the shop. You might recognize that white table. That's been there for quite a while. There's my drills and everything there. This will probably change. There's my table saw, workbenches somewhere in there, the red toolbox, random stuff. So, yeah. Was finally able to get this corner of the shop organized, or not organized, insulated, which has been nice. If you remember, I had those 3 big shelves over here that had basically everything being stored on it. So that's been taken off, and I've finally been able to get everything over on this side insulated. That's going to be the wall coverings. The miter saw used to be here. That has been moved. So we make our way around here now. And here's my new miter station. So miter saw is going to be over here now. I ended up getting a bunch of cabinets from my in-laws. They were renovating their kitchen and they didn't need these cabinets anymore, so I put them over here. This one ended up being the perfect height to put the miter saw onto. That worked out quite well, actually. Still going to need to figure out doing kind of a dust hood here, but that's okay. All of the tools that were on the table over here are now over here. I haven't decided for sure how I'm going to set that up, because once I have the OSB up on these walls, tripping over stuff, I'm going to put these 2 cabinets over here. I'm going to put them kind of right here and have another platform going over top here. So I'm going to have some more space for the benchtop tools over there, which should be good, because right now I have the drill press, the scroll saw, the sander, the sharpener, the bandsaw. They're all on this 5-foot by 3-foot table, and they're a bit tight in there. That'll help having a little bit more space over there. So basically, I didn't end up recording building any of this because I figured the majority of people aren't going to be given cabinets to use. If they're anything like me, they probably would have just built them themselves. But yeah. This way, though, worked out better for me, I think, because I was able to kind of customize them. I do have 2 sets of tires for both of our vehicles. Summer tires and winter tires. I don't know how, yeah. But I needed somewhere to store them, so I was able to kind of put a tire garage within the miter station, which works out quite well, actually. I'm pretty happy with that. Turning around here, lumber rack and lumber storage, material storage is pretty much unchanged. That would be what I'm recording a voiceover off of, but not now. Yes, it's a disaster in here. This desk isn't going to be staying in here. This will be leaving once I kind of repair what's happening here. That's just a side project. Not really recording that one. This is an old, I think it's a sewing machine base. I don't know. But I got that from my grandpa's house before we tore it down after he died. And I might turn it into kind of a computer station because the top kind of folds open. So I think it'd be kind of fun to put a tower in there or something like that. But yeah, that's not going to live in here either. The table saw is more or less in its same spot. I just shifted it all the way over to that wall. I ended up changing out the wing. I used to have my router table in there, but I changed that out to give myself a little bit more space. Basically, I have the full use of the saw all the way up to those white cabinets there. I only have 30-inch capacity this way. But then going this way, I will have, like, I'm basing it off of using the table saw on a full 48-inch sheet of plywood. So this way I have 30, this way I'll have the full 48. Where I had the saw before, so more over here, that ended up being an issue sometimes because I wouldn't have the full 48, actually because of this desk. This desk was in the way of that a lot of the time, so I'd kind of cheat it, but it worked out okay. That table back there will be going away. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with it yet. That I might end up moving somewhere else. Haven't decided. Those chairs have been there for years. I don't see a point in moving them because I don't have another spot to put them. And the yard tools, hopefully I can put those in the shed on the other side of the wall there, but again, we'll see what happens there. Dust collector I'm going to end up putting on that wall, kind of beside those white cabinets there. And then hopefully, actually, once that table is gone, that one, I might have enough space to put a jointer there or something like that. Not that I'm going to buy one anytime soon, but I might be able to pop something else in there. Workbench / outfeed table is going to shift in front of the table saw, and then I'll have at least 4 feet of space here, which will be nice. My router table, I'm going to build another base for it and keep it over here, which will also work. If you watched that video, you know that this actually wasn't fastened to it at all, so I could lift this out and replace it. So I'm going to have kind of a, what's the word I'm looking for? Interchangeable station here, so it could be a router table, and then I can pull the router table out, slide it underneath, pull the next tool up, put it in, and then it's a pocket hole station, I guess. I don't know. Don't worry about that box of stuff. That was out of my old truck. Oh yeah, I got a new truck the other day, so fun stuff there. But other than that, yeah, it's basically just a lot of shuffling and reorganizing, and a lot of moving things from one corner of the garage to the other corner of the garage to be able to progress. So like to put these up, I'm going to have to move all of that out of the way. I'm going to be able to do 2 sheets here, and then I'm going to have to like move these elsewhere to be even able to do this wall. So lots of fun stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, since I guess it's not that quick. That section was like 8 minutes. We'll see how much I end up cutting out of it, but yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update as to what's going on. Sorry for the no project video this week, but I do have a lot of projects in the queue. I just haven't had a chance to record voiceovers, and I can't record voiceovers in here at this point, especially when it's raining all the damn time and the ceiling isn't insulated, so that, yeah. I'm just making excuses. I don't know. But yeah, so that should be about it for now, as far as I know. Yeah. All right. I will see you guys in the next video, and have a good one. Thanks for watching.